Okay. After polishing this up, there are lots of ways to get the blue on here. I really like using the Oxfa blue. I've had really good luck with it. They do not contaminate, so I'll use a cotton swab or something and just very carefully draw some out with, we're just going to do this with a Q-tip and start the bluing of this. It's extremely easy to do. Just take your time polishing and cleaning the metal, and then the rest of it tends to go on real easy. And the darker you want it, the more you put on. Just build up a lot of coats and then polish it all with Quad-Ot steel wool to give it a nice gloss. As you can see, if I've done underneath here. Do the top strap now of the rifle. We're going to need some more the salts here on here. Just kind of take my time and work it in good. It'll look a little streaky sometimes, but as long as you just keep working it in, it usually works really well. So this did polish out real nice, so I was really happy with the way it polished out. Okay, well, I think you got the idea of what it looks like rubbing a piece of metal with a Q-tip with. Like I said, I've had really good luck with the Oxfa blue. I know there's cold bluing compounds out there, but I've had really good luck with this, so I've kind of stuck with it. Even from Brownells, they will say that sometimes other brands will work better for certain kinds of metal. So I've just had, like I said, really good luck and been able to get excellent results from the Oxfa blue, so I've kind of stayed with it, but wouldn't have a problem trying some of the Birchwood KC or some of the other brands of cold bluing. Just kind of like one of those things, once you find something that you like and it's worked well for you, you just kind of stay with it. So anyway, you can tell it's darkening that up really well. I'll let this dry and then work in a few more coats and see what she looks like. Okay, a couple coats, and then just using Quad-Ot, you'll definitely get the shine back into it. Little pieces of steel wool have to be blown off and then have to clean the action again here, but looks so much better once it's done. Especially with the bluing. Once you oil it, it really makes it look glossy, and it's one of those happy moments when you get it done and it took the bluing well, and you can see that's very smooth and turned out really good. So get her oiled up and then we can start putting this thing back together. Okay, we got the little gun put back together. Turned out really good. Stock turned out really good. It will get out most of the dings and everything else. Like I said, most of them were in the varnish, so it came pretty clean. Able to re-blue the receiver. Get most of the rust out of it. A little pitting that it had across the top. And then also on this side. Got most of it out of there. It looks a lot better. Got the barrel cleaned up good, and it just turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. Got the action all cleaned out, and Worked on the butt plate a little bit, got it cleaned, and took most of the scratches out of it that I could. Thought it turned out really good. Did the front forearm, got everything done. The wear is out of the front magazine tube. Of course, it won't be long to wear that right back in as the slide has worked, but at least right now it's looking good. So, turned out really well. I'll show where I was bluing the top of the receiver and see how well that did turn out. Oiled it good, and it's got a nice smooth finish now, so looks a lot better. Looking at the thumb screw, I think I might remove that back out, and where the action screw would push it together and just re-blue it, because now that the rest of it's blued, kind of stands out. So I might redo that and then call it good. Once again, I'm really happy with the way it turned out.